Hi, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop, and today we're doing a fun project. I'm going to throw pictures up in the corner because there's no way my camera is going to focus on this while we're talking. So this is another one of those fantasy projects that I'm doing because I think it's going to look cool in my apartment, and we're trying to make my apartment less boy staunchy and more dateable, girlfriend ready. So this is a puzzle ball. In this design, and I don't know if I'm going to make them to take pictures or if I'll just throw some screenshots up for you, comes with calendars, comes with cutouts to put a little tea light and shoot like tea light votive type of thing out of. I love this little project. I admit there's a lot of teeny tiny pieces, hence picture and corner. This was not hard to put together. I would say not beginner level assembly. Super simple to make. I didn't do an art review because the laser files were very frustrating to work with. The laser files, I wanted to engrave the marks around it and not score them. Scoring clearly took less time, but I really wanted to engrave it. And the way the file is made, you can't. It makes all kinds of horrible looking things appear on your screen. I didn't do the calendar because I have one. I have a calendar in my house, and I'm not in an office. If I was at an office, a calendar like this would be really cool. I don't have an office, obviously. Thinking farmer's market for the maze. Okay, stop playing with the puzzle ball. Do you guys think that a calendar being sold at the farmer's market would sell? I'm thinking not. I think it's too late in the year. If you're buying a calendar, you're buying it Christmassy time, month before, first month or two of the year. It's really cool though. The calendar has a little slot in it for a piggy bank. Love the calendar idea. Wish there was a slot on this for a piggy bank, and I may add that in. So, if the artist actually watches this, consider putting a piggy bank slot in the maze one, because I'm thinking this is a lot more kid-friendly than the other one. You might actually have a chance to make it into a piggy bank. Enjoy this, and the way he has them laid out, the template is pretty easy once you have this, and you can almost make some of your own designs, and it's a pretty easy layout once you understand how it works. So go check it out. Hopefully the artist will leave a link to their Etsy shop, and I will see you on the next video. Remember, like, subscribe, and have a fun day.